Hi, my name is Alexis Wilson, and this is my painting project. Alright, the first picture is Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh, and this was made in 1889. The medium is oil on canvas, and the style is post-impressionism. I feel like this is one of my favorites, because I love the different type of patterns in the painting and how they go like different type of ways. And in my opinion, this painting shows that it will always be some type of light throughout the darkness, because you could tell like the skies are dark and then you have like this dark piece right there, but it's still light in the village no matter how dark it was outside. Alright, the next picture is The Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci. This was made in 1498, and the medium is tempera and oil on gesso, pitch and mastic. So the style is the Italian High Renaissance. And this is my favorite because it has participative experience and it has a strong meaning. And I feel like it has participative experience because it keeps your attention of how all of the other people that was at the supper were looking, since it was like his last supper. All right, the next picture is The Flower Carrier. The artist is Diego Rivera, and the date was 1935. The medium is oil and tempera on masonite, and the style is Renaissance. And this is another one of my favorites because, from my perception, the man looks like he is very helpful and hardworking no matter the struggle that he is feeling. Because you can tell from the picture that the flowers are really heavy and that it's a big basket, and he's not that big, but he's still gonna help as much as he can, no matter how he is feeling, even though it might be heavy and he might be tired. All right, the next picture is Birth of Venus. The artist is Alexandre Cabanel, and it was made in 1863. The medium is oil on canvas, and the style is academicism. And this is my favorite because I love all the details of this painting and how the colors coordinate with each other. The light colors in this painting reminds me of peace because they are like light and it's just so relaxing. And I also like how the dark color waves bring out the light colors even more, because the dark details brings out the details of the lightness in the woman and in the babies that are like angels. I also like that about the picture and the skies. All right, the next picture is The Crucifixion, and the artist was El Greco, and this was made in 1596. The medium is oil on canvas, and the style is Renaissance. And this is my favorite because I love the meaning of this picture, and from my conception, it shows how strong Jesus is. It shows that Jesus sacrificed his life for his people. Because I know he has to be like a strong man because he's getting nailed to a cross through his skin, through his bones, through his body, and people is just there watching while he's dying on the cross for our sins. All right, and for the last slide was the question about the Mona Lisa. The question that I chose was, what, in your opinion, makes this painting noteworthy? So, in my opinion, her smile and her eyes makes this painting noteworthy. I feel like that because her smile is like an illusion, and her eyes look like they follow you when you move. And her smile is like an illusion because one minute her lips are there and the next minute they are gone. So like if you look a certain type of way at the picture, it looks like her lips are still there. But then if you look at it a different way, it just looks like she doesn't have any lips. And then when you move, it looks like her eyes are still on you no matter where you move. And I also think that the background makes the painting noteworthy. I feel like that because I love how the details and how the colors coordinate with each other in the picture. And that's all.